How to create an email list, and why you need one for your business. Yes, simple, but so many times this is overlooked. Build your email list by advertising in many places. Offer value in exchange for the email. Number 1. Be clear about the benefits. Tell your customers why they should subscribe to your email list. They might get a regular newsletter, special deals, customized product recommendations, and more. Of course, email itself is faster and more environmentally friendly than traditional mail. For many people, that's enough for them to choose email. Number 2. Sometimes your content alone isn't enough to win signups. Try incentives further with a gift, like a free ebook, discount code, 17% your next purchase, or subscriber-only content in exchange for an email address. Promises exclusive access to news and gifts, providing a solid incentive for users to join the email list. Number 3. Avoid purchasing email lists due to the potential for many spam complaints. This could easily get your domain blacklisted. The people on your email list will know you and are looking at what you are offering, not yet ready to buy from you. So regular emailing with your offers will get you the sale. This is the purpose of the email list in your business. Every time you send out an offer, you are trying to get the email sign up. Constant contact is great because it's free to try. You can set up your email list and start getting email addresses during your trial. By the end of the free period, your list will already be paying for itself. There are various avenues you can pursue emails through, the main ones being your website, online marketing, your current email list, and collecting emails in person. We pulled together some ideas to get you started on the track to building out an email list and reaping all of the benefits of nonprofit email marketing. An email list is a list that contains everyone that's subscribed to your emails. It's a collection of email addresses collected by you online or in person, for example using sign-up forms, an app, or by placing an actual email sign-up form in your store. There are many ways to collect emails, as you'll realize in this guide. Take a lesson from the digital marketing playbook of the biggest brands in the world. They spend tons of money on campaigns just to get people to sign up for their email list. Email lists are very important in your business and must be looked after carefully. I am sure you got good information from this article. So leave your comments and share it with your friends or email list. Click this link to get started with your online business. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.